is that?
Did that one fall down?
Mm-hmm.
And swoop. Did it glow?
Yeah.
Did it glow?
Yeah.
Are those penguins?
Yep. Careful.
Oh, it turned off. Is that mine?
Yeah. It's from your Auntie Linda. She gave that to you when you were just very, very little. Yeah.
Are they swimming?
Mm-hmm.
Are they having fun in that pool?
Yep.
Is that a water fountain?
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
Is that a water fountain?
Mm-hmm.
There's some water in there?
Careful.
They're turning.
Mm-hmm.